In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Microsoft Word app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Word and you'll be able to see what font size it is currently set to. So I'm just going to click out of all this stuff here. All right, so as you can see, this is the current font size. So to make this larger and easy to see, what we need to do is head back and go into our settings app. And now from settings, we need to scroll down and look for display. Click into display. Under display, navigate lower and look for font size and style. So tap into that. And at the bottom of font size and style, you've got a slider under font size. If we move this to the right hand side, it's going to increase the font size. So yeah, just choose which font size you want to use. So I'm going to keep it near the end. Now from here, I'm going to go back to Microsoft Word and we can see the font size has been changed accordingly. If it didn't change automatically, you need to close Word and then go back into it as well, by the way. So yeah, just adjust that slider and then close your Word app, reopen it, and it will be set to the size you've just chosen inside your settings.